For Holly Kutz, volunteering is a way to say thank you for the life-saving health care she and her husband Dave have received.
I started volunteering at Lancaster General because I'm a grateful patient. They saved my life. Just recently, they really saved my life. I had liver cancer, and I was cured from that by a liver transplant at Penn in Philadelphia. And Lancaster General was instrumental in helping navigate that. So it's very important for me to give back and appreciate what Lancaster General has done. I have been so blessed, and I am married to an amazing angel on earth. He has gotten me through so many things, and he and I have both decided that we need to give back to Lancaster General and Penn because of that.
Holly's desire to give back started with her family and Murray Insurance.
I decided to become involved in community service when I was young. My mother, my family were very involved, and my company, Murray Insurance, was very philanthropic and thought that volunteering was a good thing. So I started at Hands On House, and I was on that board for 9 years, and I chaired the capital campaign when they built their new building. And I have a room, Dave and I have a room there, the face painting room, so that was fun. And then I decided that I wanted to be involved in places that really help children, not just a play place. So I moved to Schreiber, and I was on that board for over 9 years and volunteer a lot at Rubber Ducky.
Holly's reliable, steady presence has made her the volunteer everyone loves to have on their team. She volunteers at her church and gives back whenever she sees a need. She has also served in various leadership volunteer roles for the Lancaster General Health Foundation, including the Gingham Gala Committee, which supports the Ann B. Barshinger Cancer Institute, and the Foundation's annual golf tournament, benefiting child life services at Lancaster General Hospital.
I think that when you have a blessed life, that it's very important to give back to the community. That with the cuts in staff and things like that at all these organizations, they don't have enough to get everything done. So it's very important to me to help the community in any way you can.
Peggy Schneebeli loved serving her community for most of her adult life.
I know I've been volunteering for 60 years. You know, it doesn't seem like 60 years. Let me give you a little bit of history. In the 1960s, Red Cross did all of the recruiting for volunteers for the Lancaster Osteopathic Hospital, St. Joseph Hospital, and Lancaster General Hospital. They had requirements such as you had to have an interview. There were certain orientation classes at Red Cross and at Lancaster General Hospital. So in September of 1965, I decided to enter the program, completed all the requirements, and when I was officially completed, I was what you would call a Red Cross gray lady at Lancaster General Hospital.
Peggy was raised by parents who were civic-minded, which helped to instill the importance of volunteerism in Peggy at a very early age. Earlier this year, she was recognized for 60 years and 10,000 hours of volunteer service for Lancaster General Hospital.
I love volunteering. You're serving your community, you're doing something for someone else. It's easy to volunteer. Call the hospital, tell them you're interested in volunteering. I'm sure they'll want to interview you. They might want to give you some training. And before you know it, you're serving as a volunteer, and it really gives you good self-esteem because you're helping someone else.
Both Holly and Peggy are thankful to be honored for helping where they saw a need.
Receiving this award means the world to me. I know there are a lot of deserving people, and I'm receiving this award because I try to give as much as possible. And I want to thank so many people, the staff at the hospital, the nurses, the doctors, the aides, anybody that helps you when you're in the hospital. And the foundation staff are amazing. I'm humbled to receive this award. I have never volunteered or donated for the accolades. I do it because I think it's necessary for the community. It's important to me. And I don't do it because I want people to know I did it.
I was so surprised to learn of winning this award. Of course, after 60 years, the General Hospital is really a special place to me. And then to win this award was like the icing on the cake. How often in your life do you win an award for doing something you just love to do? I particularly want to thank Kim Miller, the manager of PACU, and the PACU staff. They were always so welcoming to me and made me feel as though I was a team player. In September of this year, I decided after 60 years and at 93 years of age, this is a good time to think about retiring from volunteer services at Lancaster General Hospital.
For excellence in community service and volunteerism, Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health is proud to honor Holly Kutz and Peggy Schneebeli.